Hello, my people. Una good afternoon. Blessful weekend to us all. How una work. And I know say me I dey prepare not to go work. Okay. So I just come across the video where a party do last night. Yeah. Where say they come from work. I just watch the video now. Please, my people, wanna share this video. Share. Say no to injustice in Benin community. And obviously Edo community, because Agbo people, Ishan people, Motosensian people that is in this what you call saga, of which is not saga. This thing we're there for ground is not saga. This is family affair. Monica pop nose to others people's family affair. That is why others are interested in Monica's family affair. This is not saga. I'm begging everybody not to call this thing saga. Okay? Please. I say no to injustice. Wait till I hear that say Party talk say. I don't want to follow Party mad now. Till I hear from Epa Ibizugbe. Because when I do video 2 days ago, I said the people that is standing for justice in this thing that have been on social media for the past 4 years, that we have tried to suffocate Monica, that after last year, now come now say that Papa Waila, now Monica said pack him up. Okay? So I said the people who join us to fight this justice is a party and a Bizugbe. So me and now, I hear the year and I said they called them for private. It be like say they are this thing. They are Dakodo. You know, can't go away. Now, no party to come cry out. So, I want when you can't talk your matter. And this is what I hate, oh. Because now, the men now, when I want to take us the women, say, you people can settle Papa while then, and you shut up there. No. I said, no. Don't go there. Don't go there, please. Monica have humiliated people's family, father, mother, children. Where you do? I said I forgive, but I don't forget. And Monica said, Papa Waila, guys, he gets secret for him. Me Papa Waila can't sweat. Not here, but I have one. So nobody should intimidate anybody. Why go my fear about you? Tia go on you. Do you Waila? Why go my fear about you? Tia go on. Do you Waila? Now my money come over for the past 4 years. Voila! Please! Okay? We need justice! We need justice! Waila! Go and carry Juju out! I swear! If J-Boy is your son, if you ever sleep with Monica, there's only what we ask. You come out. 5,000 people was watching you. You said you never sleep with her. Why this intimidation? Why this calling him in private? Waila, Monica have humiliated people's children, people's husband, people's mother. Waila, do better. Take your time. You got your buggy. You got your boy. I go out here. Do you want it to come out if nobody want to go out here? Do better. And why Monica will no, I have destroyed reputation. Only the people important in that Edo state. Monica will pop this one. He fucking to me. And I call up your hair. Do better. Don't let me come out again for you. Don't let me come out again for you. We need justice. Don't let me come out again for you. Okay? Stop calling people on private. I told you yesterday. A mommy no molest no Napoli. She called me. Now I tell Papa Waila to do the needy. Go and carry Juju. Of course, if you ever sleep with Monica. Okay? Monica called me for good 4 years that I'm a murderer. Okay? Imabu, That's why tell you my belly. What did they talk for our body now? When we say, Papa Wala is not intimidating people. Don't go there. Papa Wala. What did they tell you about your daughter? I beg people to forget it. Monica, if any bastard come out and insult me because of your Papa Wala, somebody send me today as confirmed that your name Monica was given to you in Amsterdam. I have the audio. Your name, your real name is Lovett. How that name was given to you, Monica. I have everything. The whole world will hear it. Monica, don't look for me. So make we just have to settle everything as we're supposed to settle now. Everywhere, we want you to carry Juju out as your godfather did. But this one, Chief Adu Osamede, he carried Juju cause for your daughter, for your godson, for your in-law. When your in-law told say, now so he sleep with his enemy's wife. To shut up immediately, the whole world. He carried Juju cause. What are you hiding? To Mesedo. To Mesedo! Nobody should come here again. Mommy Napoli, if they are not coming to tell me, Mommy, no more less. If they are not coming to tell me that Papa Wala is going to carry Lala or any cause we won't carry, just let me ever sleep with Monica, don't call me. What can I call him? Don't go there. Don't go there. And Monica must say, and Monica to me say, don't must say, other people. Do you know how Monica Reticulous party with his wife and children? I don't want to. They go to my wife, not a private tonight. No, why I don't want to. After many years in abroad, I will also be surprised when we hear people was fighting for 200,000 and 500 euro to support Obaseki. I don't want to. Are you not going to tell me my baneto? You will my baneto. You watch it. As if I want to sell my conscience, my truth, it will be $1 million, €1 million. If Dumedezo can afford it, he will not pay it to my account. I will tell you, this is where we will pay it in Nigeria, in Edo State, to use it to build hospital. Caritas where those poor people go and be hitting. So that money where Dumedezo they bribe them for park. They go different hotel, go the fuck. Man, they do me or they swear for help. Me, I not go to her. Okay? That is only where I will take bribe from Papa Wala. Not for me. No, God forbid. To give Benin City something that Papa Wala will have used his money to do. But he didn't do it. What is he using it for? Supporting Monica actually to be humiliating people. And when the people want to come after Monica, he go say, oh yeah, go and rant. You say, when people want to come after Monica, you come pass back. Come when they ask. They're not to talk. If not, then you be Papa Wala of Edo State. Wala. Why now? You know where to be want to my enemy for December. You know where to become place my enemy. Did you just want to carry my enemy piece or go? Say they're not better than my mom and papa and shit on her wife. But God no agree. So, maybe say I don't know what's in the supper. Don't go there. Even that men do this with them, not after them. You know your daughters to the hostel. That is a karma that comes back to you. To Meseda, we want you to do what our daddy chief Adu Osamede Eke Bobiswa in 3 days he bring out swear to say if he ever sleep with her, if Baiswa wife So I say, if our the social media president ever sleep with his wife, okay, my people will not to say, Mama Gladys did there yesterday, today, don't say that. I hate injustice. I don't like injustice. Mostly when you want to say, now you the important pass. We are all important, my people, for crying out loud. Papa Waila is not feeding anybody. Papa Waila is not better than anybody. Papa Waila is a better man for his whole house, for his family. So Papa Waila should not be supporting Monica. If you know that he's not supporting Monica, he should not do the needy. Bim! If Papa Waila come out today to swear, say, if he ever sleep with Monica, or he ever give time to Monica, as he swear that day, if me or other people come at lie to cause Monica, Papa Waila, what kind of cause to cause us? But without you doing that, please don't go there. Don't go there. Enough is enough. I stand for justice. I stand with a party. For if it is really a Babizugbe to threaten him, all the mothers, all the women of this social media, outside social media, let us come out and stand for the truth. Nothing but the truth. Because Monica is not better than us. Neither Jebo or Papa Waila. Okay? 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 That's why I can reach. And they go work. Where's somebody this evening? Oh, Mama Gladys, together with Sadike Foundation, Reality TV. Yes, so they call for it. This is going to be an example for others. Mind what you do on social media. You come on social media, mind your guiding business. Say your business small. Not just say you want to use person take climb. We don't know say them na do me say do next stand. Next stand for Monica back. See Monica by herself talk am. Edo Waila. No be we talk am so now Monica talk am. We were expecting when you come out the other day to tell us say no. This guy pull life for your head. You want to go carry juju? But what were you seeing me? All the men are watching with Bible shows. Show. What my book was not more power. All I or die. Abi. So Monica will want more Johnny yeke. He have a secret in her dashing way. That is why he bring a naked picture of a Destiny Bakwa. He certain people even talk say our palace. I think this one is trying to you. Me why a neck my piere about a talk pay say you why neck. Also, Malamia low. Also, Malamia. He suffocate. Okay? Also, Malamia. What do you mean that step out of this matter? What do you mean? When Monica was insulting my parents, insulting me till January, yeah. Do you tell her to stay away from Gladys? Do you tell her? What do you mean? What do you mean? Huh? Who is Monica Atwari? I will play the house of this woman talk to me today. How that Monica that picture when me and the show yesterday, say, Mama, that is not J-Boy. That picture is a Photoshop. It's not J-Boy. It's not J-Boy when J-Boy was a toddler. When they realized in picking at J-Boy that is HMB. I will play how do. Okay? That Monica name. Monica, they come here, I can't tell you. How you take claim that name? Monica. Your name was loved. You claimed that I was so ashamed. I said, wow. So after she collected that name in that place, because he gave that name to her daughter, who did you for Monica? I'd love it to her, who did she? For naming your daughter Monica. After you collect that name in a bad way, you can't give that name to your daughter, who did she? This one can't really make me know say you don't value any of your children. Value where for giving your daughter Monica. Where? You say because she not call your married, you always say baba. It depends on always say. Always say, not call me. Mama can call her. Now make she cancel now. You just say when she go call me. I know come. She want to intimidate me. Say, and she call you now. Why you no answer? Somebody even send me messages. Let me come and read it for you. Somebody sent message this morning. That see that message when Monica called. When Monica says me come to put. Let me read the message. I want my colonel shame. When I not shame, I say, ooh. Now Mama Gladys now you want to say me cut off your market like kick boy. Oh, I deg you, I came up purposely. I know that strategy. Now she won't use. And now when the strategy in there. Well, I beg you. He said because he no call. I've bought everyone. Make up one queer. Even he let her humiliate her. I came out and humiliate her. Because I went to how your town happen. You don't say I call her. She don't want to say the truth. She they join Monica and she they join Lolo. I don't they join anybody. When Lolo come out last year, I beg say make everybody do you. You don't ever say Lolo see the pop nose for another people matter. No. 2 weeks ago when you joined that scammer, I come out after her and I give it back to her. Okay? So make una not touch. Oh, the message they said this from. Then he get the oh, what be funny now. He did this one. I'm gonna read that for this evening. Now they crazy. I was still play the audio protect call me. Say, Mama, talk puto. He don't they call you, don't they beg you. Well, I dare you say because not calling. Shame on her! Shame on her! It was a strategy. That's what I give her to her. Man, I call her now. She don't call top truth. Yeah, man. Monica, the gang will put you for back. All this your maniash, human traffickers. Where pack you? These drug dealers, this blood sucker. Where pack you? You see, say we on a don't pass come. We on a don't pass come. And they defeat you. I know say that the same papa will come at that day. But you tell me here, now no you intimidating and I not agree. I not agree. Wahala dia. I not done it. And Monica go tell her say, hey, you dey come. You dey craze. Now say come. I got talk put us. You know come so. Now you the shape come enter your body. Not be me. You ask you yes I got to say, hey Monica come or no. You come for me. Now answer you. I'm not after DNA. Everyone must hear but don't walk on a road water. Ah Hannah. Everyone must come out. I swear. If he really sleep with Monica or not. Very easy. A DNA test of coming. When a boy he get the age go reach now. Also I get back bije. On the camera. That's not concern. See the picture where the water. It there. Awata. Person when no J brother from swap. One come here wait he talk. That one not be J boy. Na Photoshop. Monica, you see am? Quick they don't see cash you for the fake way you do. When I see the real J boy with Papa Waila, Ugbo everyone, meme. Oh no when he made there. When I see am, what show I go bonopa. When I go for see am where? Where me? The juju one I do want to say go kill my mama for December. I see there here. Ah! Oh, talk, but why you want to one? And I want to one very. Bobby wow. Alata. As all of us know how to speak the same language. There is no peace for the wicked. Okay? Okay. So, when I did that video, they showed that picture yesterday. Somebody said that my enemy, the Chris. He said, this is really Papa Waila and Waila. Papa Edumezedo and Jay Bonasiam. I saw him last night. When I see them too, say this one a Photoshop. They said this one a Photoshop. Said there's no time where Jay Boy take black. Okay? That this one is a Photoshop. When I call here from the Justice Match, where he join Monica and say the identity for Holland. Where there's no time where Jay Boy take black. See, and they can't dark this one. Even Bruce and Goyela is not. Bruce, there's no time where Bruce stay black. This is a Photoshop. Of which me no know. You know to have a day, Monica wa degi yeke. Where? It tell my way. Wait for God's time. God never give riches and ask sorrow to eat. You think you the tell us people they jealous to me? I don't know the riches where you get now. But you see the small this way you forget now. Sorrow don't die because you are evil. You cannot bring others down to rest. Never. It will come back to you. You say, karma. And this is just the start, you know. This is just the starting. Okay? But you name now Queen, no because. Okay, my people. Okay. If you just say, call, I go watch the video from the starting. I start with justice. I start with a party. I don't know whether party, whether you be join them or then maybe they're not gonna agree for what you agree. Now make you conquer her. So a part please. We want to hear your own part. EU Tete, Sister Rita, the other day when I talk about say the people who don't do good for this social media. Iye Jordan is a wahula last. Na Monica Sito said that wahula. Iye Jordan, Iye Jordan. Fine, you still try. Okay, your name escaped me that day. Okay, your name escaped me that day. What the day, but I know some people will join me. When I say I'm my court where I go, none of them talk puto. Now me go my court, I fight, come back with victory. And Gladys is not God. Nobody talk for say, why don't they get cut? Why don't they work here now? And Gladys is not God. I go court, I come back with victory. Yes, so. Okay. Oh, I know join one side, the Sundave. I know join one where me deba on one side. I know me deba now. I know why I'm here. When I can intimidate anybody, you should stop intimidating. We need justice. So are you telling me that a pa Iswa to carry Juju come out to swear say this thing social media president he lie against his wife. You tell me say don't love his son and his grandchildren. Now to come out that say that name for body. That is why we are expecting Waila. No, but sister, madam, I call me. You wait 4 days, I will call him. When you are coming, don't tell my mother, they know we are more bought here. Then I can still come out. Can still tell my people. See you. Waila say in a week time, in a more time, he not gonna come out. Do what I'm only white here. Then why you then you no me matter with December. The that happen why you know you are here what matter here job. Awata. Why your door? I stand for justice. I stand for justice. My maybe why you going why you got gojo mahu. You got la jena goje. When do me say don't tie gwa. Ina tie gwa. Ina tie do. When you tell to me, say, don't have no talk, no don't want to ina so a shot me, ina so a way jogging in Hubiana. Ina tie, man, I tell to me, say, don't want me. I'll humiliate you and I'll humiliate to the house. When I'm on shout, when I know what I can do, when I know what I can do, when I know what I can do, oh, my people. they cook for the children. When I just say me, they joke. See how? And they cook. See how? And they cook. So me, I look the rice. When the rice don't do. When I see the rice as you, okay, we are gonna go. Okay, I'm not laughing though. This laughing, oh, make una cut and come out. I'm not gonna shout again. I'm not gonna shout again and go. When I cut this laughing, you come out. Okay, no, it is serious now. Emma, no. Everywhere should not be using people to be intimidating. They be caught. Where they do, not be abroad. That don't go. Please jump more. Okay, me I jump more. You give me. See what my daughter buy for me, and they come here and bring her. See what my daughter buy for me. Make I tell you do this thing. Because our gym, it help me. Okay? You see, I tell you do this thing every morning. Oh, I don't feel my here. I go do it for them. See, oh. I mean, this one tell you do jogging now. Okay. See, I'm skipping rope. You must pass what to do. Okay. Okay. You see how? So now this one, last time I do skipping up. Now Sabrina buy her for me 4 days ago. He ordered her from Amazon with this cap, and she buy her for me. Okay, so only your no the body he good boy. Oh, when they beje, and they come to you yeah. As my belly be, that's how my hands be, that's how my tete be, that's how my hand be. Oh, Azua, I will buy you skipping up. I get them already. You know, okay. So, I know what we did it together. It's there for Amazon. Order for Amazon. She ordered for me on Tuesday. You can't come on Wednesday. You know. Now they go walk. Oh, my you. Watch out. Bye. Mother, follow me this evening. Okay. Walk in here. Try and carry this kind of weight. Where they carry? Whether you go feel get up for bed. You are stupid. He says the way we have a breathe. Try and carry this kind of weight. Whether you go feel get up for share. Okay. You cannot. Jesus, Sister Bridget. Man, no. I go lose on. I'm not when someone with this, so I go lose on. I know why. When I cut this part come out, okay? That is me. And I say, as I laugh like this, I say, I'm so joking there. When I say, me what I do. Okay, so see your life now. Is that because of another person wahala? When money can carry another person wahala ever since? You know talk. Now I reach your body. Now I'm not saying another person yo. Why get you done? Everyone, please do the needy quick. Do the needy. Okay? Do. I must jump this rope for that today. Because I don't do 10 this thing. 10 this morning. Go away. Samu. Don't worry. We're going to do it together. Bye-bye, winner. Ciao. One love. Bye.